Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Smart Moving mod for Minecraft 1.1. I'm going to rush this, so yeah, I'm trying to help a friend right now. Okay, first what you want to do, go to Minecraft forums, just go there, or just forums right there. And yeah, search up Smart Moving mod here. I'll post a link in the description. Yeah, once you've downloaded the files, I have mine here. You'll need ModLoader, which go to the download page. So I'll just quickly download it. I'll pause the video.
Dude, I don't even
And I'm back,
remember
and
what
I'm
I'm
going
at.
to type in %app data % roaming .minecraft bin Minecraft open with WinRAR. You can close down that. Delete the meta inf because that will cause black screens and you won't be able to run it. Bring whoops. Where is it? Bring up ModLoader. Copy. Minecraft and done with ModLoader. Smart Moving. ModLoader. Drag it in. That's the MC API, do the exact same thing, drag it all in there, and that's it, you're done. So, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and, thank you.